Hi Javaher, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about encapsulation. If you are new, don't forget to push subscribe button. Let's go. Well, today I want to talk about encapsulation. Bear in mind, the encapsulation is different from information hiding. The information hiding is used for the security data, and it means to restrict the use of data. But the encapsulation hides the data from different users to reduce the complexity and make the system easier to operate with. Actually, the encapsulation has public, protected, and private attributes, but the information hiding just has the private data actually. Well, let me tell you an example about encapsulation to understand better. For example, there are some parts in the automobile manufacturing company, and in the first part, the engineer works on the gearbox, and in the second part, the engineer works on the body. The engineers who work on the body don't have information about the gearbox, and actually, the gearbox tools keep out of the body section. This strategy helped the engineers deal just with the body and make their duty easy. And the body is hidden from the gearbox engineers as well. This approach reduced the complexity of each part, and actually this example shows us why we need to use encapsulation. Public members are accessible anywhere from the class. Here I create car class, and here I create BMW class. The BMW class is inherited from car class. If you want to learn about single inheritance and multi-inheritance, you can check this video as well. Self-country, self-color, and self-seats are instance attribute, and also there are public attributes too, because we can access in the methods of car, and actually we can access from the instance or the object from the car class, and also I can access from the object of BMW and the methods in BMW, because the BMW is inherited from the car. I want to show you how can I access. At the first I create an object from the car class, and I want to show you I can access to the car, for example c.country, c.color. It is obvious that I can access to the instance attribute, but I want to show you I can access from the object of BMW, because BMW is inherited from car class, and actually these attributes are public. So I write print b dot, for example, color, or b dot country. You can see that they are coming here, and also seats. And here I can access to the instance attributes or public attributes from the method in BMW. Let me call b dot public. The public is the name of this method. Let me run. Yes. Red. I actually here I write c.color, and the color is red here, and also I write b.seats. It is 4 because a seat is defined here 4, and also I call public method, and this sentence is come back for me. Protected members are accessible within the class and also available from its subclasses, and you can define a protected attributes by adding underscores before the name of your attributes. Honestly, I couldn't find any difference between public attributes and also protected attributes. Maybe in Java or C++ is defined better, but I couldn't find any different, and I want to show you I can access from the object. Here I create a class from the car, and now I want to access from c dot, for for example, color, it comes for me, or c dot country, it comes for me. It is obvious. But what about b dot, for example, print b dot, for example, color? I can access, or b dot seed, it is obvious because it is a public, but I want to show about protected, b dot country, and also I can access to the protected here, the protected method from the b objects, protected, and here we can access from the self color, from the protected attributes too. Yes, you can see that from access from c dot country Germany, b dot country from the BMW classes, and also the method in BMW classes as well. If you know the difference between public attributes and protected attributes, please comment below. Thank you. Private members are just accessible within the class, and you can define with double underscores. And also the private attributes can access just in the class and the method of the class, not by instance of the class. Whenever you create an object from the class and you want to access through the private attributes, also you get an error. For example, I want to access to the color attributes, and it said that car object has no attributes color, but actually it has, because it is a private, you can access. Also, you can't access by BMW object. Whenever you write b dot double underscore color and then run it, let me comment this one. And it said that BMW has not attributes underscore color. But about the method in car class, you can use it, the private attributes. For example, c dot gas attribute. You can see that it is work, because the private attributes are actually just accessible in the class, in the method of the class, not by the child or the object of the class. In the next video, we talk about polymorphism. Don't forget to push subscribe button, and the code is available in our GitHub. The link is below. Happy coding. Bye bye.